Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later, and the app supports picture-in-picture. This is why Pi might not appear in older apps. Open the video or FaceTime call and begin playback. Once playing, tap the Pi button in the video controls. If there's no button, swipe up from the bottom or press the home gesture to send the video into a small floating window. Make sure the app is foregrounded when you initiate Pi. Once the floating window appears, drag it to a corner or along any edge for the least obstruction. Make adjustments with a pinch gesture to shrink or grow the window. Some apps also accept a double tap to toggle sizes. Tap the window once to reveal transport controls and the button to return to full screen in the host app. When you're done, use the close icon to stop Pi or drag it to the screen edge to hide it temporarily while audio continues playing. To finish, tap the full screen button to bring the video back to its app or open the app icon from the floating window. Close the window if you want playback to stop, or drag it partially off screen to hide the video but keep audio playing. If Pi doesn't appear, make sure Settings General Picture-in-Picture is enabled. Confirm the app supports Pi, and force quit, then reopen the app. If problems persist, restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.